I've made $3.4 million in the last year alone with one dropshipping store, and if you want to do the same, first you're gonna have to find a winning product. We're gonna look for health and beauty products because those sell the easiest. Solving a health or beauty problem is worth a lot of money to people, especially older women, and they spend the most money online. Just open up a product research tool like Minia, filter by e-com platform Shopify, 500 minimum likes and 200 minimum comments, so you know the product is selling for someone else, and start looking for health and beauty products that sell for below $50. Once you find an interesting product in the health and beauty niche, it is time to build out your website. First, you want to buy a domain on GoDaddy for about $10. The name you choose does not matter whatsoever. Then you want to create an account on Funnelish because that's where we'll build our storefront. Just import this free template into your Funnelish account and start building out your product page. Before we can do that though, first identify what market you'll be selling in so we know what language our store should be in. The easiest markets to dropship in right now are European countries because of the fact that they are 10 times less competitive than the US market. You can pick a country like Sweden, the Netherlands, Germany, France, the UK. They all work well, but one of the best ones is Germany because of the high amount of Facebook users. So the entire product page we will be making will be in German. You want to use ChatGPT for the prompts to come up with the copywriting and the translations. Focus on emotional benefits and not on technical features, as people only care about what a product can do for them. For example, instead of saying instant teeth whitening, say beautiful white smile after 30 seconds. Then just follow the template but change up the copywriting to match whatever product you're selling. In Canva you can create some GIFs that you take from the ad you found on Minia and add those to your product page. They will make it visually much easier for your customer to understand the product page. Then add some testimonials, set up the correct pricing, connect the products to your Shopify store, and you're done. To get people on your store, we need to run ads. So open up the Facebook Ads Manager and create a new campaign. Turn on Advantage campaign budget and set it to $100 a day. In the ad set settings, do not specify anything, just add the country you're gonna be selling in. Then inside the ad itself, upload the ad you found on Minia. The only thing we're gonna change in the ad video is translating it into the language of your market. You can quickly translate your entire ad in v.io in about 10 minutes. For the ad copy, you want to describe the main benefit of the product in a very short and emotional way. For example, avoid expensive dentists, get an attractive white smile in just 30 seconds. Then duplicate the ad, find 2 more videos on Minia for your product, translate them and add them into your campaign. This way we increase our chances by 3 of finding a winning ad. Click on publish and wait for the results the next day. If your campaign has spent $40 with not a single sale, kill it and move on to the next product. If your campaign is profitable at $40 in ad spend, let it run until the end of the day. Then recheck your ads at the end of the day, and if your campaign is profitable with more than 20% profit margin, increase the budget with 35%. If it's unprofitable at the end of the day, kill it and move on to the next product. Repeat these exact scaling rules every single day, and if your product stays profitable for 2 to 3 days in a row, start testing new ad creatives. To do this, just create a new campaign exactly the same way with 3 new ads and scale it the same way. Realistically, about 9 out of 10 products will not be a winner. This means you have to test at least 1 product per day to see results quickly. So just repeat this entire process until you find your first winning product, and then outsource every single step in the process by hiring virtual assistants on onlinejobs.ph and double your testing volume. And this is exactly how I run my entire dropshipping business to millions of dollars per year. If you want a somewhat longer 4-hour long free course on this entire strategy, then check the link below.